How to add translate option in Instagram bio. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Now, in order to add the translate option in your Instagram bio, first of all, you have to add something in your Instagram bio. Tap on edit profile and under bio, type in any phrase that is foreign language, meaning any language that is not English. Once done, tap on the check icon. Now go back and refresh your page. For instance, I've added a phrase that says Dios lo bendiga, which means God bless you in English. Now, if somebody goes onto your profile, they will be able to see translate option in your bio. Just like so, this is how it works. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.